Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme of your 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an X-Pro 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, I wanted to introduce you guys to our new CCNC, which is our connected car navigation cockpit. And it consists of these dual panoramic screens. And on the right, we have a 12.3-inch infotainment screen. And on the left, we have a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. So this video is going to be on how to change the theme of this instrument cluster. The first how-to video I ever did was how to change the cluster theme on a 21 Sorento. So I thought it was fitting to do this one as the first one on a new 24. So first thing we're going to do is head into setup, and we can hit either setup down here on the right hand side when your infotainment controls are showing in the control center, or from the infotainment screen we can swipe to the left and hit setup on the right hand side. And then you're going to see cluster here, and we'll select that, and then we'll select cluster theme selection. Now we have a few options. We have different gauge styles and different graphics style. So right now we are under simple, and right now we're on style A. It seems that from the factory by default, it's not linked to the drive mode like it was before. So they just kind of by default stuck it on A. So A and simple looks like this. And if I were to go and change it to style B, it's going to look like this. And then style C. And there's a nice smooth animation going between the drive modes. Now we have the option to also link it to the drive mode. So if I select that, right now we are in normal mode. So if I were to go and use my drive mode knob down here in the center console and twist that into a different drive mode, that's what normal looks like again. And then we have eco, and then sport, and then smart, which is the same as normal. So sport's going to be like style C, eco is going to be like style B, and then normal and smart are like style A. So then we also have the option of changing our gauge style here to circle. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. I'm going to come back over here. I'm in normal mode still. And this is what the normal mode looks like, or the style A looks like. I'm in normal mode. When I go to twist my knob and I go to eco, that's what that looks like, sport, and then back to smart. And again, right now I'm linked to the drive mode. So if I were to go unlink it, I could put it into any one of these specific ones, style A, style B, or style C, and the theme won't change based on the drive mode that I'm in. So it'll be static and it'll never change. It still maintains a lot of your driving information, including your blind view monitor system. But at the same time, it's your personal preference on how you want to have it set up. It looks nice and simple. You can have the modern take when you're literally on simple, or you can have kind of the old school circle gauges going on there, some faux gauges. So your personal preference on what you want to keep it on. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.